Hello and welcome back to Invest, Buy, and Sell with Jael. My name is Jael Thomas and I am a creative real estate agent. Today we're going to talk about financial freedom versus being debt free. Everyone has a financial freedom number, and make sure that you stay tuned throughout the whole video so you can figure out how to calculate your specific number. Debt free is when you eliminate all of your loans and have a personal debt balance of zero. That is a great achievement, but it is only one of the steps towards financial freedom. Financial freedom is when you have enough passive and residual income to cover all of your monthly expenses for the rest of your life. Now, I know that sounds a little difficult, but when we break it down into the easy steps, you'll see how it's achievable for yourself and people that you know. So, your financial freedom number is the amount that you need every month to cover the average cost of your expenses. My first recommendation is to calculate and track your expenses for the next 6 months. Trust me, we spend way more than what we believe that we do. And when you look at it over a 6 month period, you'll have more of an average of where you are. I would go with the highest number. And depending on your lifestyle, I would add 2 to 5,000 to that, just in case of emergencies. So say you've been calculating and your number is 5,000. I would go for 7 or 10 just to be on the safe side. The next step that you need is to start looking at investment opportunities, whether that be some type of residual income from a home based business, investing in real estate and having a rental property that brings you in passive income every month, whatever it is, you can always calculate that number. So as you start getting more versed in it, you'll start to build out your portfolio. And when you look at how much each stream brings you, you'll be able to determine which streams you want to keep, which streams you can increase, which you want to alter and change. So as you do that, you'll be able to come up with the number of opportunities that you need to cover that 5,000 every month or that 10,000 every month. Anyone can do it. It's all about knowing your number and being able to calculate how much your investments bring you in every month. So, what you should do when you first begin trying to achieve financial freedom is to look at it every month. Okay, here's my expenses. Here's what my investments are bringing in. Are we close? Are we getting there? How can I increase it? What can I tweak? What can I change? And then after a while, you will achieve that break even point. Of course, because life happens, we want to make sure we're bringing in some extra and that the investments we have are sustainable. It may take years, but to know that you will have time freedom one day because your investments and your money is working as hard for you as you have for it, it's absolutely and totally freeing. So it's not as hard as we would think to calculate our financial freedom and to calculate that number. And once you have it in your head, it becomes more and more achievable every day. So take your first step to achieving financial freedom by calculating your monthly expenses and seeing where you stand and how much you need to survive every month. Another way that you can decrease the number that you need is to look at subscriptions and things like that that we pay for all the time without even thinking about. You may be able to simplify your lifestyle so that you don't have to work as hard. And that is another factor that you can include to becoming financially free sooner. And that's called simplification. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please be sure to click the subscribe button, comment below, tell me your streams of income and when you plan to be financially free, or you can just drop your financial freedom number down in the comments. I appreciate you coming to my channel and watching. See you next time.